So today we have 76.4% of our adult population who've had a first dose and 43.6% who are fully vaccinated. Now it's when that number hits 70% double dose that we know the Monday after that we'll be able to have those freedoms that we outlined in the roadmap yesterday. So if anyone is interested in following the daily tally, that's now publicly available. So it'll have the number of jabs, but also the percentage as we inch closer to that 70% double dose vaccination. But as the health experts, Dr. Chan and the government has been saying, we're really keen to see that first dose rate hit 80 and above and get as close to 90 as possible, so that when we open up at 70%, we have a large proportion of the adult population who are at least one dose vaxxed, and obviously we know we'll get closer to that 80% sooner as well. To 8 p.m. last night, we had 1,542 cases of community transmission, and as the modelling we released indicated, we are expecting the peak number of cases to happen in the next week or so, and so far this trajectory is what has been predicted. And regrettably, we did have 9 deaths to 8 p.m. yesterday, and we extend our deepest condolences to the loved ones of those families, and Dr. Gao will go through the details. In addition, as you know, from Monday, because we got to that 6 million jabs by the end of August, we promised there'd be additional freedoms. Just a reminder that they kick in on Monday, and there's a couple of extra tweaks we've made to make it a bit easier for people. So if you live within an LGA of concern, obviously you can exercise unlimited. However, if you're vaccinated, your household can go out for a picnic or recreation for 2 hours every day, in addition to the exercise. So you can obviously exercise, but if you just want to sit down and have a picnic with your household, so long as the adults in that household are vaccinated, you're able to do so for a couple of hours every day as well. But of course, that has to be within the 5 kilometre radius requirement. So everything else stays the same, curfew in the 5 kilometre radius. But if your household has vaccinated adults, you're able to. And for this definition, we're just saying over 18, because not everybody over 16 has been offered the vax. But if your household that lives together every day and functions together every day, you're able to enjoy some recreation in addition to the exercise provision. And for those areas outside those local government areas of concern, as you know, from Monday you'll be able to have 5 vaccinated adults who live within the LGA or within 5 kilometres of their home come together, so long as all the adults are vaccinated. We're not including 12-year-olds in that definition, so a 12-year-old or under in that definition. That means you can have 5 adults, which was the previous rule, but now you can have kids under 12 as well. You might have 2 kids each for each adult, for example, so long as you stick to the rules otherwise. Within the LGA and within 5 kilometres, you're able to have children under 12 not included in that 5 number.